I be popping this shit, man, while I'm kicking it for real.
Welcome back to my channel. It's Chrissy here. Welcome if you are new. Don't forget to click that subscribe button down below so you can join the squad. Come on in, bring it on in. So today I just had this very dramatic look, okay? And I did see this look on Pinterest. That was my inspiration by MakeupByRiquelle. That's her name, Raquel. I pretty much tried to recreate this look. I like the way mine came out, but you know, she bomb as hell, so her look is looking way better, you know what I'm saying? But I like the way mine came out or whatever. If you guys want to see how I did mine, then keep on watching. Hey everybody, welcome back. So starting off, I will be going in with this e.l.f. camo concealer in the shade Tan Latte. And I will be priming both lids with that and blending it on out. So once you blend it out, it should pretty much be looking like this. Then we're going to go in with the Morphe 3502 palette. Take this pinky tannish shade and just blend it underneath the brow bone. And then we're going to make sure we blend that on out. And then we're going to go in with a darker brown shades. 2 darker brown shades to blend that. You know, we're just going from lighter to darker. And then we will be going in with an even darker brown shade. And just darken up that crease area. And then I will be going in with this tan shade to blend the top brow bone, you know, bring it back to looking lighter, okay? Because those dark shades, when I was blending them out, they were kind of making my whole lid look too dark. So now I'm going to go in with an even deeper brown shade and just darken up that crease just a little bit more. And then I will be going back in with this camo concealer and cutting my crease to start transitioning that neon liner. I just make sure I put that concealer where I will be cutting my crease and adding this neon pigment from MyoMakeup. Y'all did see me do a tutorial with it using a pink. This time this did not crack for me, and I really think it was just the concealer that I was using the last time, because this time it did not crack. However, I am so excited to announce that I am an affiliate for them, and I will be putting my code down below for you guys who want to purchase and save some coins on their loose pigments. So yeah, your girl is really excited about that, okay? I guess, you know, they like that your girl bum look. And so yeah, now I do have a code for you guys to save some coins, okay? And don't forget to scroll on down below so you will get all the products, you know, and codes that I have to help you guys save some coins, okay? So I'm just going to finish off cutting that crease. I did like make my line kind of thin because that's how the girls was, and I'm pretty much trying to go for that. So I just pretty much cut that until it was like really thin line of green. I mean, you can use a liner if you want to, but yeah, I didn't really think like a liner was going to do the job, so I just went in with this pigment. I'm going in with like this brown shimmer color out that same Morphe palette, and then I will be taking my favorite liner, which is the black Radiance liquid liner, and that's doing me a very dramatic bold line, okay? We're gonna get this on in, okay? So you do your liner, it should look like that. We're gonna go back in with that tan concealer from the e.l.f. camo concealer, and we're just gonna sharpen up the edges of it, but we're also gonna be adding some more pigment, okay, to the outer corner of our liner. And we're gonna put it like a little bit above, like a little bit longer than the liner itself. Next we're gonna go in with this Maybelline, I believe this is the Colossal Volume Express mascara, and I'm just gonna put that over my lashes. And then I will be going in with these lashes from MyLashTalk. and they're in the style Clout Chasin. I don't have a code because I'm not like on their PR or whatever. But yeah, these lashes are so bomb, y'all. I actually went to high school with the girl who lash company this is. So as always, I'm just going to clean up my liner with that Fawn concealer, and then I will be going in with my foundation. I did show you guys me putting on the moisturizer, but this is some Neutrogena moisturizer. I will list it down below. I will be going in with the foundation, Maybelline SuperStay foundation in the shade Warm Coconut. And then yeah, just put that all over our face or whatever, and then that's that. I'm gonna make sure you blend it all out and smooth looking. We're gonna go in with the Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 12, and I'm gonna just put that on all the parts that I like to highlight, you guys. After you blend it out, it should be looking like this. We're going to go in with this CoverGirl Professional Loose Powder in the shade 115. It is that translucent medium powder. And I'm just going to put that over all the parts that I did use that concealer. It should be looking like this. Next, I will be going in with this NICKA New York pressed powder in the shade Walnut. It is my first time ever using this, and I was in the beauty supply, and I just happened to check this out like when it was like at the counter. So I was like, let me see what this about. I like it. I just feel like it's kind of like a little dark for me. It's like darker than how I like my highlighted parts to be or whatever, but it's pretty good for the price. I think it was about $6, and yeah, I like it. So I will be going in with this contour kit, and I will be using that darker shade. As you can tell, I always use it, and I'm just going to be contouring up my face. And I pretty much like to build this product up because, you know, a little bit comes on the brush at a time, but you know, it's buildable. So next, I will be taking my favorite bronzer, well, one of my favorite bronzers, and I will be going in with this Physicians Formula bronzer in the shade Deep. Then I will be going back in with that 3502 palette, taking that black shade and smoking out the bottom line. Next, I will be going in with that NYX Vivid liner in the color Neon Green, and then yeah, putting that on the lower lash line. I'm going in with that blush and that's blushing out them cheeks. Okay, I will be going in with this NYX Synthetica highlighter and just highlighting all the parts I love to highlight on my face. I just really been liking the way it does look when you do the setting spray last afterwards, you know, especially when it's matte setting spray like this NYX one. So yeah, I just like to pat it on in, as y'all always see me do. I will be going in with this Wet n Wild dark brown pencil and just lining them lips out. I will be going in with two black Radiance lipsticks. The dark one is called Naughty Brown, and then the second one, which is the lighter tannish brown color, it is called Hollywood Hot. And then yeah, you guys, that's pretty much this how this look is going to be looking. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys later. So I hope you guys like this look as much as I do. I will be posting pictures on my social networks, so you guys can follow me on those. That's Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, and all that good stuff. Give this video a big old thumbs up if you liked this video and you like the way this look came out. Also, comment your thoughts down below. Let me know what you guys think. Also, if you are new, don't forget to click that subscribe button if you haven't already. And turn your bells on if you want to be notified every time your girl upload a video, so you will never miss an upload from me. I'll see you guys in the next one.
It drips Seville. No cap. Yeah.